Hello, young, enthusiastic global managers and event masters. Let's embark your journey at MIT-WPU University School of Business at BBA Global Marketing and Event Management. We have teaching pedagogy, which will have certifications. We also have business simulations, and we have a very important national event participation or national immersion program, wherein we take the students to different kind of events, wherein students are learning the real life skills and the experiential learning by being a part of the volunteers in these kind of events. As an event manager, you definitely need to know what takes in terms of event planning, right from its production, pre, during and post. We are also encompassing all the global marketing perspective so that the students is ready not only in event management but also as a global leader. We are having tie-ups with different kind of people in the global marketing and event management perspective. We look forward for your journey with us. Come, let's join hands and be a part in shaping your career at MIT-WPU University School of Business.